Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to draw Goku Ultra Instinct and Vegeta Ultra Ego from Dragon Ball Super. It may look complicated, but I'm sure you guys can do it too. First, change the background color to gray. Then, create new layer for the rough sketch. Start by creating the pose first. You can add the details later. It's okay if you create it a little bit messy, that's why we call it rough sketch. Now add the details of the characters. Don't forget to use warp or distort feature. It helps you to reshape the wrong proportion faster. When you are done with the sketch, add new layer for the outline. You can start from anywhere you like. Try changing the brush size to give depth look. Now the outline is perfect. Time to color it. First, set the outline layer as reference. So you can just drop the mid-tone color in other layer. See the image above as an example. Then, create one layer for one color. See the image above as an example. After you finish with the mid-tone colors, time to add another new layers above each mid-tone layers. And set them as clipping mask. See the image above as an example. Then, pick the darker color to create the shadow tone color. Repeat this step for the darker color again. Then, pick the darker color to make a three-tone color. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching and learning. And see you in the next video.